Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. On to today's video, and back by request, I have another Do You Even haul for you guys. Do You Even is definitely one of my favorite brands, and I have so many items from their collections that I absolutely love, including the set that I'm currently wearing now. I have done a video on this before, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. So we have our package here, and I do have a discount link for you guys that I will leave in the description down below. The discount will be automatically applied at checkout, and you can also use my code Jesscbee for 10% off everything. And I will be leaving all the items that I've mentioned in the description down below along with my measurements. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First up, we're going to be looking at this lounge set, which is the staple crop jumper and the staple boxy shorts. This jumper we got in a size extra small, and it's just so soft and cozy. It's made of a super soft cotton blend, and it's a crop jumper, crew neck, loose fitting. It's also made of a soft stretchy fabric as well. Embroidered logo on the front, and there's some slits on the side. So adorable. I actually have this in a different color, and they are just so comfortable to wear. So moving on to the shorts, these are also in a size extra small. So soft. These are high-waisted with an elastic waistband. These are perfect to work out in or to lounge around in. They're just so comfy. There's also the inner drawstrings, and you've got a zip-up pocket on the side, as well as the embroidered logo. This set is just the cutest thing ever. So comfy. I love the loose fit of the crop jumper. It's just so cozy. The length of it fits amazing. The neckline, the sleeves of it fit perfectly. They're not too long. And white is just super versatile. You can mix and match and pretty much wear with every single color. I love the beautiful embroidered detail logo on the front. And I love the little slits on the side, because when you feel like you want to tuck it in, you can just tuck the front part in and have the rest hanging out. It looks really effortless. It's so soft and cozy. The shorts fit me perfectly around the waist. It's a great length above my knee, and it's a little flowy at the bottom, so it's not completely constrained. There's ease of movement, and it's just really comfortable as well. I love how the pocket on the side has a zipper, so when I am walking or jogging or doing whatever, my phone fits in there without it sliding out. This is like my go-to lounge set every single time. The only issue is it's so wide, I don't want to get it dirty. Next up, we've got the Scrunch seamless sets. We've got the crop top and the leggings. I am so obsessed with this set and the color. The seamless scrunch is just super flattering, and I got these in a cool charcoal. This crop top I have in a size small. I am just so obsessed with this color. You can always mix and match because it's got the pink detail. You can wear pink leggings or a pink top, and it's a racer back design. It's also got the ribbed contouring as well. It's in a seamless material that's quick drying, it's lightweight, it's breathable, and it has the removable padding, ribbed supportive waistband that's super stretchy, and then you've got the silicone logo on the front and also the back. With that, we've got the Scrunch seamless leggings, and these are some of my absolute favorite leggings. I got this in a size extra small, and it's literally designed to clench in your waist and plump up that booty. So it's got contouring lines on the back and also scrunch detail as well. It's in this knit compressive fabric, so it's super duper flattering. The waistband is thick, it's high-waisted, quick drying, and super breathable. And it also has the silicone logo on the front and the bottom of the leg. Super elastic and stretchy as well. Absolutely love these. So obsessed with this set and color. I love the pink contrast. The pink and grey, I think it just looks so good together. The crop top perfect, not too low, not too loose, so comfortable, so flattering, so supportive as well. I love the cute little shiny logo and the back details. It fits so nicely. It doesn't dig into your back like some crop tops do. Absolutely love this top. These leggings are just the perfect fitting, so good around my waist, so comfortable. They literally just clench everything in and it lays flat onto your skin. It's super duper flattering. The length of it is just amazing. I have never had an issue with Do You Even leggings. They have all fit me just perfectly in terms of the length. I love the scrunch detail on the back, and together with the contouring, it really just makes your booty look so nice and juicy. This whole entire set is just so flattering and it really just hugs you in all the right places. I love this set and I love this whole entire collection. Super excited to wear it out. Oh, and these are of course squat proof as well. Next up, we've got the XL Plus range. So this is also new. So this is the XL Plus Sculpt Crop Top, and we got this in the color Ocean Speckle in a size extra small. This color is just so cute. I absolutely love it. It features a light to medium support depending on how big your boobs are, adjustable thin flat straps that sit comfortably on your body. It's got the little sweetheart neckline, breathable, quick drying, and also has the removable padding as well. These are made of nylon and spandex and it's just so soft and smooth. And I absolutely love this detail. It's got a shiny silicone logo here. I think it's just so pretty. Seriously loving this color. To match that, we've got the XL Plus leggings. This is also in the color Ocean Speckle. So this collection also came in shorts and a different type of crop top as well. I did a review on the whole collection in one of my videos, so make sure you check that out as well if you're interested. I got these in a size extra small. So these are high-waisted. It's got the thick waistband. The elastic is actually around the top of the waistband here. Stretchy. Two pockets on the side that are pretty deep. Breathable, quick drying, so buttery smooth. And the matching silicone logo on the front and also the back. I also have a matching booty band with it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the color, I love the fitting of it. The material is so smooth. It literally just like slides on. It's so buttery soft. Sports bra is super duper flattering, as you guys can see. It's the perfect fitting. I actually had this in a size small. It was a little too big for me, so I ended up getting extra small this time, and extra small just fits perfectly. Absolutely in love. I also really like the crossback detail on the back. I think it just looks so nice. It's comfortable, soft, breathable, so pretty. I am obsessed. I literally want this in every color. As for the leggings, they are seriously so soft. There's two pockets on the side, but it's kind of camouflaged into the speckle. The waistband and the elastic on the top is just so perfect. It helps hold everything up when you're doing exercises. These are obviously squat proof as well. The length is amazing. This whole set just fits me like a glove. I absolutely love it. And the phone fits so nicely in there with no issues at all. The pockets are really deep. I love this collection and I love this set. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching as always. Have you tried Do You Even before? Which one is your favorite collection? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section down below, and I will be hanging out with you guys down there, especially in the next hour or so. Please like, subscribe, you guys know the drill. If you like this video or if you found this video helpful, really means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.